Alright, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please ignore the mustache. It's looking rough right now. So in this video I wanted to announce my bi-monthly giveaway. I have the piece of jewelry already made. It's almost in its final form, full form. I just need to do a couple more things, but I wanted to announce this to give everyone an equal opportunity to win a piece of jewelry. In my It's Time video, right, that's the title, It's Time, I gave a piece of jewelry away real fast just to the supporters who just actively watch my videos. I wanted to thank you guys for watching, my progression and my growth in this venture. So now I wanted to give everyone a full chance. So also in that video I said that I'd be doing a monthly giveaway, but I decided to make it bi-monthly because that amount of work, and also with making videos, it's just a little too much. And I got other projects on the side that I'm doing. It's just too much. So I'm just gonna expand it a little bit and space everything out to what feels right and just keep going from there. So how I'm going to give it away, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do a pick a number 1 through 1,000, closest number gets it, or the person who chooses the number, the person who gets the number. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll get back to you shortly. If you'd like to become a supporter on Patreon and follow me on Instagram, links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.